Wondering how to put a banner on your map in Minecraft? This video is going to explain maps and how to put banners on them. The first thing that I should explain is this only works in the Java edition of Minecraft. So let's first talk about the basics of a map in Minecraft. The crafting recipe for an empty map is in the crafting table. 8 pieces of paper and a compass will craft you a map. The default size of a map is 128 by 128 area that you can explore to see the terrain. The next part is the banner. The crafting recipe for a banner is 6 pieces of whichever color of wool, and a stick in this pattern will craft you a banner. You have 16 different colors you can make the banner into. These include white, orange, magenta, light blue, yellow, lime, pink, gray, light gray, cyan, purple, blue, brown, green, red, and black. So once you have the colored banner, the next thing you want to do is rename the banner. So go into the anvil and place the banner in, and then you can enter a name you want for the banner. It will cost 1 enchantment level to name the banner. After you finish this, you'll want to place the banner, and with the map you want to right click on that banner. This will enter the banner onto the map. You will be able to see the name of the banner and the base color of the banner. If you have a banner with a pattern on it, this will not show up on the map. If you destroy the banner, when the map updates, the banner will be removed from the map. So I just want to go through some of the uses of the cartography table, as they might be useful for maps. The first one isn't relevant in this situation, but you can expand the map by putting the map in and putting paper in the second slot. The second one is to clone a map. You can do this by putting the map you want to clone and then placing an empty map in the second slot. This is useful if you want multiple maps of the same area to see the progress in a build. The last function is to place a map in the first slot and a glass pane in the second to lock the map. Locking a map will make the map not update and lock it at its current form. This is useful for banners if you don't want to have them placed around the terrain, although you could use them as place markers or to incorporate them into your builds.